Icigo ntukiuke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Garissa na ni ati Riri matura matiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya magithiete na mbere na kuhimbiria na gwetha njira itiganite cia kuhurana na maugaruruku ma riera na makiria maria makirehete wari mwari guku bururi-ini matura matiganite makaunti ino ya Garissa ni maikoretwo makihimbiria urimi na njira ya mai. Aikari aya kuma kaunti ino ya Garissa ni makiugite ati urimi uyu wa mai ni ukoretwo na umithio na makiria kuringithania na kuria maikoretwo magieterera hihi o mbura riria yaura. Gukiri uguo kana aikari aya maikoretwo makiguneka na makiria kuma na miti ya matunda ta maembe, marigo, macungwa na irio cia mahiu, undu uria ugithiete na mbere na kwagirithia miturire yao guku mwena wa Garissa.
We are here today at the Kuno Primary School, Mbala location of Garissa, to celebrate the partnership that NDMA has had for many years with NACONEC. And what we have here, what is behind us and surrounding us, is a plantation of Gicigo trees, which is a crop that is used both for livestock feed and also used for making bricks for firewood. The total farm holding is 75 acres. There is a primary school, and the rest is a farm holding which through the partnership with the National Drought Management Authority and NACONEC, they have been able to reticulate water from Tana River to cover the whole farm for purposes of irrigation.
We not only support to grow these trees, which is used for fodder, as well as firewood, which is used by the school as well as the community, but also this farm produces food crops. And the food crops supports the school. It sustains the students in the school.
The food crops that we have planted, the population of the town has increased. A lot of people are coming to settle to Kuno location due to the activity that is going on.